Okay, now this is the Aircast boot that you may have been given following your Achilles rupture. Now, let's just go through how you use the Aircast. It's important that you know how to get it on and off, and also it's important that you know about the heel raises. So let's have a look inside. So first of all, if we pull off the straps, you can take off the upper part, and you can see that we've got some fabric underneath. Now I will show you how to put this onto yourself or onto a patient. Now inside, what you can see is we've got these heel raises. Now let's just have a look at these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 heel raises, and it's 1 centimetre each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimetre heel raise. And the reason we have that is because obviously your heel is going to be here and your toes are down here, so it's pointing down, and that puts the Achilles in an optimal position to heal. As you go through, normally from about week 4, each week you just take one off, okay? And that will help, 1, with the healing, but 2, to start getting some range of movement back. And at around week 8 or 9, you'll be down to just wearing the boot without the heel raise.